everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and today we're gonna unbox. A lot of neighbors are doing work on their house, so sorry if there's any noises, but I have two packages. One just arrived actually one day after it was sent, so that's super fast, and I've got some wish list Anthuriums in here. I'm so excited. Maybe I don't come across as excited. I have a pretty bad headache and my concussion apparently is staying around for a little bit longer than I expected. So sorry to not be as cheerful or high energy, but I am super excited about this plant. Oh, actually, there might be two plants in here. I found these from a private seller and they are not necessarily cheap, but they're smaller, so a little bit more affordable and hopefully just as cool. So let's see. I'm a little bit scared, to be honest, because I only have one Anthurium, one type of Anthurium, and now I'm gonna have three after this package. It looks like this. Here we are. Okay, let's open up this small one first. Let's open it over the box because there's some soil falling out. Oh! I should not squeal that much, that hurts my head, but here we are. This is very nicely wrapped actually in a piece of cardboard. Ooh, sorry about the noise. My neighbor is fixing his house. And then, it's so small. Can you see? This is an Anthurium regale. Oh. The soil came out a little bit, but it looks really good. And it's very small. It's so small, it's so cute. This is the most expensive plant I bought in my whole life, like ever. I'm scared to tell you how much it was because it's so small. It's in pretty soily soil with some rocks in there as well. But she said it was very well rooted and I trust her, so. Oh, it's so cute! My second ever type of velvet Anthurium. We'll have to think about a name for this one. And then the second one. Oh, this is loud. I'm sorry. It's actually very annoying for my head as well. There we go. Okay, the second one is a little bit bigger. This is Anthurium metallicum. Still very small, but the stem is quite chunky and it has more leaves than the other one. Ooh, it's very nice. I like it. Lots of roots on here and a new growth point. Actually, that's exciting. Since everyone is at home now, a lot of people are doing work on their houses, and I didn't want to wait with unboxing these just to make sure that they are in the best possible conditions to survive in my care. So this actually is on my wish list video, and now I have it. I see lots of roots, lots and lots of roots, and a big chunky stem. Yay! This is so cool! I'm just gonna... Look how rooted that is! That is very happy. It's in sphagnum, this one. And I'm gonna keep both of them in my terrarium for a little while. I don't think I can unpot this because it's quite heavy and soil ridden, but I can see roots in the bottom. Today is Thursday, so it's 2 days later, and actually it's quite interesting that a parcel from my own country takes 4 days when a parcel from Belgium, from a neighboring country, took only 1 day. So interesting how the mail works at the moment. This is one more little seedling plant that I'm very excited about. It looks like this. This came from Robin. She is in the shop, but she sells aroids sometimes. Ugh. I hate this stuff. All right, here's the plant. Ooh, ooh. Oh, look how adorable. This, hold on. This is an Anthurium forgetii. Can you believe it? It's so small, yet so expensive. Nicely wrapped in plastic and then in a moist towel and then in sphagnum. There's big roots on this one, which I asked beforehand because I don't know how good I would be at growing a plant without roots that's this small, but it looks good. Looks very good, actually. There's several little roots on here. Fresh ones. Don't know if you can see that. I'll put close-ups in. Oh, and at first I was a little bit confused because she said it's forgetii, but the leaf doesn't have the round shape with the petiole attaching in the middle of the leaf. It's a heart-shaped leaf, but apparently forgetii come out as heart-shaped, and then when they mature, they become the circular pattern that we all know and love. So in one day, or 1 week if you count the delivery time, I went from only owning Anthurium clarinervium to owning Anthurium clarinervium, Anthurium forgetii, Anthurium regale, and a metallicum. That's so awesome! As you can tell, I'm a little bit more energetic today. I feel a little bit better. I still have my headache, but I have a little bit more energy, so that's really nice. It really changes every day. So I'm gonna try, if I feel good during today, I'm gonna try and edit a video for you, but it's taking me a lot of effort to look at computer screens. So I'm sorry it's been a little while. I'm really excited to see these guys grow. If you wanna see more regular updates on them, check my Instagram, Plant with Roos. I post on there more than on YouTube because it takes less effort for my brain at the moment. Forgetii. I still should name this one. So in 1 week, I went from only owning Anthurium clarinervium to owning 4 different kinds of Anthuriums. I'm super excited about this. These 2 I just sprayed in the terrarium, so they look a little bit wet. That's normal. And actually, yesterday I came up with names for these with a little bit of help from you guys. So I started with the metallicum. The Anthurium metallicum is going to be named Matthew. And then I figured Reggie would be a cool name to go with that for the regale. As you can see, I do alliterations, Reggie the regale. So we have Reggie and Matthew. And now we're adding in this Anthurium forgetii that I haven't thought of a name of yet. Oh, it looks like there's actually a new growth on the way on the forgetii. And I just, in my head, decided to name it Alfonso the forgetii. So we have Matthew, Reggie, and Alfonso. And I actually saw that on the regale as well, but I wasn't sure if that's how Anthurium grew when they are babies. Because I know they don't. When they're older, they grow very differently. But I think they grow like monsteras in the beginning, where it's inside the petiole of the previous leaf and then it comes out. I hope that's true. I'm just observing and sharing my findings and not necessarily telling you the truth. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, maybe subscribe to the channel and click the little bell icon so you're notified when... Notified? Is that a word? So you get a notification when I upload a video? Maybe that's better. Check out my Instagram, Plant with Roos. From Matthew, Reggie, and Alfonso, I wish you a very happy day and happy week, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!